Hey, right guys, just popped up the plot very quickly. My normal weekly walk around when I've got nothing to do. I'm on the old plot, plot 26. Still got some purple sprouting, still got some sprouts. I'll pick a few of those. And leeks, oh, leeks over there. And while I'm up here, a quick reminder, 8 days to go before I cut off the entries for the SSPC 2025, hashtag SSPC 2025. I don't want it to drag on too long. Last year I was sending spuds out at the end of March. They were chitting or sprouting, whatever you want to call it, and they just weren't in a very good condition towards the end. So I want to get them done and shipped out by the end of next week. They're due from Jameson Brothers. Thanks again, guys. Great service. They're due this week. So hopefully over the weekend, I'll get all 60 or so packaged up, and poor old postman on Monday morning will be scanning like mad to get them all into his post bag. So that's it, guys. Just a quick reminder, and I'm going to go and pick a few veg now. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.